Exclusive! Mardani 3. Rani Mukherjee is back as India's fiercest cop. And now we finally know when, where, and how you can stream the crime thriller at home. From franchise legacy to blistering trailer reactions and OTT secrets fans can't miss. This is the most complete breakdown yet. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop destination for deep dives into Bollywood's biggest films, OTT launches, trailer reactions, casting breakdowns, and everything trending right now. Today, we're unpacking Mardani 3, the third chapter in one of Indian cinema's most powerful female-led action franchises. With Rani Mukherjee reprising her iconic role as Inspector Shivani Shivaji Roy, this film is shaping up to be the biggest cop thriller obsession of 2026, both in theaters and on OTT. In this video, we're going to cover the OTT release date and platform, the casting, old and new faces, a deep trailer review with reactions, what this means for the franchise's legacy. But before we jump in, drop a comment right now saying Shivani Roy if you're ready and hit that like button because this one's huge. After a blistering theatrical run that began on January 30, 2026, Mardani 3 is now officially confirmed for OTT release and the global streaming partner is Netflix. According to reports, the film will complete the standard 8-week theatrical window, which means you'll be able to stream it starting on March 27, 2026. This strategy follows a familiar pattern: big theatrical presence to maximize box office. Then, a strong digital debut on a major platform. And because Netflix is a global platform with millions of subscribers, Mardani 3 will have instant worldwide reach, especially for international fans who might have missed it in cinemas. So, if you didn't catch it on the big screen, mark your calendars March 27, 2026, because that's when the crime thriller lands on OTT near you. Let's talk cast, because Mardani 3 isn't just another cop thriller. It's a legacy franchise that has consistently pushed boundaries. Rani Mukherjee, Shivani Shivaji Roy. Of course, the heart of the film is Rani Mukherjee as DCP Shivani Shivaji Roy, one of Hindi cinema's most iconic female law enforcement characters. She returned with Mardani 2 in 2019 to critical acclaim, and now Mardani 3 brings her back with even more grit, edge, and emotional weight. What's remarkable here, and has been widely discussed, is that Rani has said in interviews how mentally and emotionally challenging the character is to portray, especially in Mardani 3 where the stakes are higher than ever. Mallika Prasad, the villain Amma. Breaking new ground in the franchise, Mardani 3 introduces Mallika Prasad as the antagonist known as Amma. This is significant because the original films had male antagonists, but now this chapter brings a female villain with a chilling presence, adding psychological tension and intensity to the narrative. Janki Bodiwala, key player. Alongside Rani and Mallika, Janki Bodiwala plays an important supporting role, adding a fresh dynamic to the cast and hinting at deeper emotional layers in the storyline. There are also other notable performances that help round out the Mardani 3 ensemble, each contributing to the tense and dramatic vibe that the trailer promised. Let's get into the trailer, because honestly, this is where a lot of the buzz lies. The Mardani 3 trailer sets the tone from the first frame: dark, intense, unfiltered, and unapologetic. Theme and mood. The film looks darker and more intense than its predecessors, diving into the psychological thriller space while staying rooted in raw police procedural drama. The cinematography feels gritty and urgent. Rani as Shivani. In the trailer, Rani's performance is all raw emotion, tired eyes, steely resolve, a voice that carries authority and vulnerability at the same time. This isn't just action. It's a woman driven by justice, with everything to prove. The stakes.
The plot tease about the disappearance of girls adds a deeply unsettling element, making this feel like more than a crime movie, but also a social commentary thriller.
Fan reactions. Industry peers have already voiced their reactions. Superstar Nayanthara called the trailer absolute fire and praised Rani as the one and only queen. Kalyani Priyadarshan also lauded the intense energy Rani brought to this chapter. These responses show that the trailer isn't just building hype, it's building expectation. So what makes Mardani 3 more than just another release? A female-led franchise. In an industry where action thrillers are often male-dominated, Mardani 3 stands out because it's anchored by a strong, fearless female cop with emotional depth and narrative agency. That's a major factor in why the series resonates with both critics and audiences alike. Emotional realism. The emotional moments teased in the trailer, the fatigue, frustration, intensity, suggest that this isn't just white-collar fights with criminals, but real stakes, emotional toll, and psychological warfare. And that's your complete breakdown of Mardani 3, from OTT release dates and casting to trailer analysis, and why this franchise continues to make waves. So I want to know from you, what part are you most excited for when Mardani 3 hits Netflix on March 27, 2026? Rani's performance, the intense storyline, or the villainous twist from Malika Prasad? Tell me in the comments right now. Smash that like button if you're hyped, and subscribe for more deep dives, trailer reviews, casting news, and OTT announcements every single week. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay safe, stay cinematic.